This is my contribution to the theory that science fiction is stranger than truth. No, that can't be right. During my stay in the USA, much to my surprise, Uncle Sam put something in my stocking. Quicker than that, it knocked me flat right between the eyes. Love walked in and wasted no time knocking. Cupid shot a sawing arrow, and I left the straight and boring narrow in a manner slightly strange and rather shocking. For I've had a romance with a robot, a man made entirely of tin. It was a rare, an electric affair, a mixture of science and sin. Although I had firm resolutions that the cause of the flesh must be set on, they instantly fled when sex reared its head, for that head had the gayest tin hat on. Now, the name of the robot was Robert, though he said when we met, "Call me Bob." I could see by the sly, steely look in his eye that Bobby was quick on the job. Now, Bobby I met in my lobby. Well, of all the improbable places, for my fridge having blown up, I lifted the phone up and called for assistance from Macy's. Pell-mell came a ring on my doorbell, and the sound like a bee in a kettle. Then onto the scene came this gorgeous machine of God with a bod made of metal. I must say he looked quite delicious, well-built and immensely broad-shouldered, each valve and each rivet as bright as a trivet, all welded and gilded and soldered. Now a beautiful friendship developed. Oh yes, I got quite devoted to Bob. It wasn't platonic, no, it was more electronic, controlled by the turn of a knob. Built into his chest was a wireless, plus 2 TV sets and a Ronson. One set was in color, and one, which was duller, showed old films of Gloria Swanson. But one simply terrible evening, something went wrong with his gears. He started gyrating and madly vibrating with smoke coming out of his ears. He then made a certain suggestion, at which I was far from amused, but the one thing that shocked me and shook me and rocked me was when I refused him, he fused.